get ready with me. This is actually a hair edition. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I wash my extensions as well as blend my natural hair with these curly extensions. I will be uploading some videos on this hair if I haven't done so already, such as like the initial thoughts, how I actually got this hair installed, as well as how I achieved this hair color. And I also be showing you guys how I blend my natural hair with my curly extensions without using heat, because in this video I actually did use heat. But those are just some videos to come, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please continue to subscribe, comment, and rate. What you're seeing are the end results of this video. So if you want to see how I achieve this style, go ahead and finish watching this video. So right now the hair looks obviously a hot mess. First and foremost, what I want to do is actually detangle the hair. I literally have just been wearing this hair in a bun for the last week, just because it's been raining and I just have not been wanting to deal with it. So I've just been wearing the bun. It looks crazy. I'm going to show you guys how I detangle it and then the whole washing routine. Okay, so when I detangle my hair, I always detangle my hair I always detangle my hair dry. I know a lot of people like to detangle their hair wet, but personally I like to detangle it dry just because I feel it gets all the knots out. So I always start from the bottom up. People do it in sections. I don't got time for that. I'm on a strict time crunch, so I just usually split the hair in half, and then I start from the bottom and work my way up. I always also section out my actual leave out. So this is installed in a flip over method, which you guys will be seeing a video uploaded shortly or soon on how I have got this hair installed. But this here is my actual leave out. It's actually been 2 months since I got my hair installed, so this is actually my install 2 months from the actual initial install date. So my hair is starting to grow out, so I do have a little bit of new growth. It's not even 2 months, it's going on 2 months, but I do have a little bit of new growth. So it's not literally where it should be, but this is actually my leave out right here, and then this is the actual install. So this is my leave out here, and then this is the extension. So I already sectioned off my leave out because I'm just going to be detangling the extensions first. Okay, so again, split it in half, take the bottom, and literally I like to use a paddle brush and work my way up. This hair is really nice. So even though it looks really crazy right now, it's so easy to detangle. I usually don't have to deal with a bunch of knots. You guys see, like I said, it was up in a ponytail. You guys see how easily it's being brushed out. And I literally was not brushing this hair. I was not combing this hair. I wasn't doing anything to this hair. But it doesn't get matted up or anything. Shedding is very minimum with this hair as well, which is another reason why I don't mind detailing the hair when it's dry. I know a lot of people don't like to do that just because you lose the most hair when it's dry, because you're just like yanking hair out. Ooh, I look crazy, but this hair barely sheds anyway, so it doesn't really make a difference to me. And then I'm gonna have a video also like on the color of this hair and everything. I actually just freshly recolored my leave out. It's another reason why it's actually sectioned off, because I had to freshen up my color because it was fading. When you do this, also you want to make sure you're holding the hair, because you don't want to just be pulling, because that's causing tension on your actual install, where it's going to be like tugging at your actual real hair, because you know it's sewn in. So make sure you do hold it at the base, where you're not just like ripping your hair out. Perfect. So now that the hair is all detangled, I'm gonna actually head to the shower, and you guys are gonna just see me wash my hair. So I always start with washing my leave out. Typically I always use the same shampoo and conditioner with my extensions as well as my natural hair, so there's nothing really different. But I always start with washing my natural hair out, just because I like to let the conditioner sit while I go into washing my actual weave or extensions. So yeah, okay, so it looks like I lied. Oh my gosh, these nails are so ratchet. This video is so old. But this is a shampoo which is by Main Choice that I'm going to be using on my natural hair, as well as this Aphogee Curlific shampoo and this Main Choice conditioner. So I use this on my natural hair again. I know I said typically I use the same shampoo and conditioner on my leave out as well as extensions, but I guess I did something different in this video. But I just wash my leave out as if you're washing your normal hair. And this is a shampoo as well as the conditioner I'll be using on the actual extensions. which is by DevaCurl. Now, you definitely can use cheaper alternatives. DevaCurl is pretty pricey. So you don't necessarily have to use this shampoo and conditioner. Just any good moisturizing shampoo and conditioner will work. Some great alternatives. I do like the Herbal Essence line, or I just use, like I said, the Main Choice, which is also a little bit pricey. But when washing my hair, I always start from the ends up, just as I do with the tangling my hair. And when washing curly hair, is very important, if you don't have like a Denman brush, to use like a paddle brush, just some type of form of brush to get all kinks out and really get the product worked throughout the extensions. And then something that's also very important is to scrunch the hair as you are working product through it. So whether you're shampooing the hair or conditioning the hair, really especially with conditioning the hair, it's very important to, scrunch the hair up. It just helps with the curls. It's so crazy how damaged my hair was when I made this video. Like, you guys saw my leave out. It literally looked like a bulldog chewed on it. So disgusting. But fun fact, I actually did a big chop, which you guys will be seeing a video soon on that. And then this is just the hair, obviously not air dried, towel dried. And I am sectioning off my leave out because I am going to be tackling that after I lightly, well, first I like to let the hair air dry for a little bit, and then I'll go in with that diffuser and just try to really, to be honest, really what I use a diffuser for is to really just dry my base. So just to make sure that my installed base is dry. And I also go in and just go ahead and blow dry my leave out. And then this is just me pressing out my leave out, just because this helps with getting the slickest edges. Now this is the most important part. This is the actual blending part. So as you can see, what I do is I take a little piece of the curly extensions as well as my natural hair. I basically twist it, wrap it around the barrel of the curling iron, and I literally hold it no longer about a minute. Not a minute, oh my gosh, do not do that, you'll bring your hair off. I literally hold it on there for about, I would say like 4 seconds, if that. And I just do that for each piece of my leave out. And now this is another important part, which is laying them broken edges off or my fake baby hairs, which I'm just using a toothbrush, and the edge control I was using at this time was by Even. I believe that's how you call it. Yeah, EBIN. I just got it from the beauty supply store. But any edge control you use will work good. The secret to really, especially if you don't really have baby hairs, but the secret to faking baby hairs is to really have a good press out on your edges and a good edge control. Just because that helps lays it down a lot smoother. So this is me just showing you guys a little bit closer, using that toothbrush and just forming my chilies. And yeah, this is just basically me showing you guys the versatility of my install. Again, this is a flip over sew-in, and you can just really flip it over any kind of way. Something I like to do, which helps with the blending as well as laying your edges, is to tie my hair down with a scarf. I usually do that for like a good 10-15 minutes, or just do or really have it on for however long I do my makeup. And then when you take the scarf off, and as well as let the hair air dry a little bit more, this is the end result. So you can see the hair is nice and blended. You can't really tell my natural hair from the extensions. And though I did use a diffuser, I typically like to let the hair air dry, like I said, first, and then go in with the diffuser to just dry it a little bit better, as well as make sure that the base of my hair is dry. So that's why it's a little bit of frizz, because I used the diffuser. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please continue to watch, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and just stay tuned for more videos to come. Thank you guys. Love you.